Hello everyone. Today's tech news is Number 1. Lego. Let this engineer bring your computer brick to life. What it takes to build a tiny Lego computer. Number 2. Drop's latest mechanical keyboards are love letters to the Lord of the Rings. Its Middle-earth themed keycaps are getting a keyboard to match. Number 3. Mobile Pixels is running a crowdfunding campaign for this Geminos range of folding dual-screen clamshell displays, which offers an interesting alternative for folks looking to replace a side-by-side monitor setup. It claims those take up too much space and are not ergonomically designed, or maybe you just need something that resembles Samsung's aggressively quirky Odyssey Ark gaming monitor without the $3,500 price. Number 4. Oppo's ColorOS 13 update has a built-in pixelation feature for message screenshots. Part of a grab bag of new features coming with its take on Android 13. Number 5. FTX's money isn't insured, FTX says. FTX is accused of making false representations about FTX insurance. Number 6. The new USB rubber ducky is more dangerous than ever. The beloved hacker tool can now own you with its own programming language. Number 7. Destiny 2 and Fortnite crossover leaked ahead of Bungie event. Bungie might be announcing Fortnite skins for Destiny 2 on Tuesday. Number 8. Gforce now on Chrome is getting a big upgrade to 1440p and 120 FPS. RTX 3080 members no longer need an app. Thank you for watching. Subscribe FFFT for more tech news.